Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can add your domain to SES AWS simple email service. So you can send with email from your domain. So currently I have to use this Gmail for my contact form on my blog here, which is fine, but not really professional. Okay, so let's make it more professional. So here I have my SES here, and to be able to send email from a domain with SES, you need to create to add your domain as an identity in SES. So similarly, I did with another domain of mine here, but key.io. So I will click on create identity and select domain, and I'm sure I use my domain. Okay, so this is the domain, and I leave everything as default. Good enough. Yes. And the next step is to verify the ownership ownership of my domain. So we need to add these records to the domain name uh, to the DNS record. So I have Cloudflare as my DNS. So I go to Cloudflare here. So these are my domains. So I click on the domain I want to add a DNS record for. And I click on DNS here. And let's add some records. So you see that I previously have SendGrid, but now I switch to using SES. So these are not needed, but we need to do the same thing for SES. So I delete these records, and now let's copy and paste those records from SES. So I need to copy this CNAME. Let's add some CNAME records. Paste it here. Is an alias of this. Key. Yes, good enough. Not sure if we need this one. Okay, we don't need our domain name here, so let's save it. Okay, let's turn this off and save it again, and we have the record added. So let's do this for another pair. We need to remove that. And no proxy. I'm sure this is CNAME. Okay. No proxy. Save. The last one. So CNAME. Remove our domain. The last one here. No proxy. Save that. Now we can go back to SES. Sure, and you see that the status is verified. So that's good because I have just verified my ownership of the domain. So let's go back to mail settings here. Now I can add any email from my domain, like contact. So just to clarify that you cannot receive email from this email because this is not non-existent email. So you may need something like catch-all email um, to receive those email, but that is another topic for another video. But this means that you can send email using this email with SES. So now if I save change, hopefully it will reply with a success. Yeah, and if the domain was not verified, then there will be an error saying that the identity hasn't been verified. So let me try this, another wrong domain. So I see the error from SES. It's not verified. Yeah, you need to have a verified identity. Some save change and no change to be saved. That's fair enough. And not sure if I can. Okay, send test email. Email sent to. So this is my Gmail. I'm going to send a test email. So go to my email. Sorry, Gmail. Or maybe here. So sure enough, we have the test email successfully sent. So yep. So the from is here, right? So this, but you cannot reply to this, and it will reply, it will fail. So you may want to set a reply to field to another email that you can receive. But that is another setup. So I have shown you how to set up SES to send email from a domain. Hopefully that's helpful. And I see you in the next video. Thank you.